CNXsoft here. I've received IBOX. It's a product, a mini PC based on Allwinner A20 with 1 GB RAM and 4 GB flash, I think, and it has a interesting particularity of having a special connector for hardware hacking. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, we've got the power supply. It's not quite standard because it's 9 volt 2 amps. Okay. And then we get the box and nothing else. Okay. So at the front you get the IR sensor, LED, a micro SD card, slot, and the IBOX logo. At the back we get power, Ethernet, SPDIF, optical SPDIF, HDMI, and 4 USB ports. And there is a small hole here, I think it's for recovery. One of the USB ports here is OTG. And on the side we've got the port with extension. We've got a port to use expansion boards. Unfortunately, they didn't give me the expansion board. But if you've been in, if you back the project in Indiegogo, you will get one extra board here to play around. Okay, that's all for today. I'll post a review on cnxsoftware.com in the next few days. Thank you. Bye bye.